Did you know that 2025 has just 4 months to finish and you've been telling yourself, I'll start my YouTube channel, but you never did? If that is you, then this is a sign for you to start your YouTube channel today. In the next few minutes, I'll be showing you how you can start step by step. No more excuses. I'm Nkechi and I help beginners start and grow their YouTube channel. Let's get you started immediately. The first step is to create your Gmail account. To do that, head straight to gmail.com. Click on create account and then choose either it is for work or for personal use. Then enter your name. Make sure to fill in your birthday and your gender. Here you can choose any of the Gmail that is shown to you, or you can get a Gmail address instead. Then type in the email name that you want to use. Click next. If it is available, then you're good to go. Click through the step until you get to privacy and terms. Read the agreement if you want, then click agree. And that's it for step 1. And step 2, now that you have gotten your Gmail account, it is time for you to create your YouTube channel. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select create a channel. Next, choose a channel name and a handle. Let me tell you the difference between channel name and handle. For your channel name, that is what people see when they visit your page or watch your videos. And for your handle, that is a unique username that people see when they comment on your YouTube video or when you yourself comment on other people's YouTube video. Pick something easy, something not too complicated. Also, you can also change your handle only twice in every 14 days. And step 3, add a profile picture. Click the button and upload a photo of yourself or a logo. Depends on anyone that you want to use. Make sure it is a clean headshot of your photo. You can crop it to fit the cycle nicely. Then click create channel. That's it. Congratulations. You now have a YouTube channel. And let's head to step 4. This is where you update your channel setting. Let's fix few important things here. First, you need to verify your YouTube account if you haven't done that already. And if you live in Nigeria, make sure to use MTN network. Other network doesn't often work for YouTube verification. Here are why this is important. You can upload thumbnails. You can also upload video longer than 15 minutes. You can unlock end screen, and in the course of the upcoming videos to be seen, I will show you exactly what I mean and many more features also. If this is making sense, hit the subscribe button. Step 5. Still in your browser, go to settings. Down here, click on upload default. This is like a template for every video that you upload. You can leave this title and description blank. You will change it in every video that you upload, but make sure you set your visibility to unlisted or private so that you always have time to fix your video every time before it goes public. Under advanced setting, choose your language. If English is your first language, this will help your caption load faster. Then scroll down to comments. I recommend you put it to basic because this filter out all the rude comments people will be commenting on your video. Then go back to channel tab. Go back to advanced setting again. Choose if your channel is made for kids or not. If it is made for kids, you choose yes. If it not, make sure you choose no, so that YouTube won't ask you every time you upload. Step 6. Still in the setting, go to permission. If you ever want someone else like an editor to help you manage your channel, click invite and then enter their email and choose what access they'll have, editing, caption or anything. When you're done, click save. Step 7. This is where you customize your channel. Click this pencil icon here. Here you can upload banner. This is the big picture at the top of your channel, like what I have here. Visit canva.com to design one. You can also change your profile photo, channel name and handle again if you want at this point. The next thing you do is write a short channel description. If you don't know how to, just go straight to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT what your channel is all about, and it will give you a very short channel description that fits your channel exactly. In this place where you see link, that's where you add all the links to other social media like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, any type of social media platform that you're in. And then lastly, you need to add your watermark. It could be as simple as anything like subscribe image.
you put it there so that people will know that this is your channel. What you do here, sometimes some people just put subscribe button. You can add your name if that is what you want. If you don't want anybody to be using your video, you want your video to have the watermark of your own name or the name of your channel, you can create something still using the same Canva. When you're done, make sure you are happy with everything that you see, then you can click publish. That's it. You have successfully customized your channel. And the last step is the monetization button. This is a place where YouTube shows you the milestone that you need to reach before you can start making money on YouTube with the YouTube Partner Program. It is called YPP, and that includes 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hour or 10 million short views.
That's it. Congratulations. Now that your channel is ready, it is time for you to upload your first video. But before you do that, there are important rules you need to follow if you want to get more views and avoid some beginners' mistakes. That's exactly what I'll cover in the next video. So make sure you subscribe and put on your notification bell. And I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.